see it. So then I just had to start reeling it in, and I finally started seeing it.
What color was it?
Oh, I don't know. It might have been like a yellow or something like that. That was when I was a kid back in Texas.
What park did you go to?
It was just a little park next to my house. We walked to it. We didn't have to drive to it.
Did you tell your mom?
Yeah, she knew I went there. I played baseball there. They had a tennis court that we played at.
Good.
Look at you. You're doing good, Lindsay.
Roll call. Heads up. Heads up. String. Tight.
Don't pull it now.
Lindsay.
Switch! Good job. That's a good job for our 8-year-old Lindsay. No, we're still recording, sweetie. Now it's our Andrew's turn, which is 9 years old. Yeah, no hitting us, though. Awesome. Okay, go ahead and record Andrew. He's got a pretty blue tail. Lindsay, actually video Andrew and the kite, not the...
I can't see!
Alright, then let me go all the way and do it then. Probably because I got sunglasses on. And the camera keeps on following Andrew around. He ran a circle around us. What's your shirt say? Pixie rocks. Oh, that because it's pixie dust. Yeah, I remember when Lindsay used to do that with her little shoes. Remember you had those little shoes? And your little jingle shoes? We see you, sweetie. We see the little cutie pie. Then Andrew was on a little bike, and this time he's using a kite. A kite and a bike. You done? You pooped? Hey, that's no way to treat the string. We pooped out? Alright, we'll close it up for the day. Maybe next week.